EMCHI nail products to show you a single color dip powder nail tutorial. So the first step is after we prep and file the nails, we're gonna go in with our EMCHI clear base. It's like a two-in-one product. We're gonna do this first with our first pro base polish. This is gonna just go towards the middle and in the center. It's gonna help build that good foundation for what the other layers of the product. You're gonna dip once and tap, and then you're gonna take another brush to just buff away any excess powder. Next step is we're gonna go in with our color. And again, with our pro base, we're gonna paint on the nails. Try to be as precise as you can, get it close to the cuticles. And again, we're just gonna go in and just dip and tap away. And then one more time. We only need to do the color twice. And brush away any excess powder. And then we're gonna go over and come in and just basically seal the powder to prevent any fading when you do file. We're going to come in and seal it with the pro base. Next, we're going to use the activator, step number 2. This is going to just set the whole powder and harden it. I'm going to make sure you cover the whole entire nail. So we're gonna do this with all of the rest of the fingers, and when you're done, it should be set and dry. And then you're gonna come in and file and shape it to the way the clients would like it to be. So we're going to use the electric file to come in and clean smooth out the edges around the cuticles and try to smooth out the rest. So then you're just gonna clean a couple edges and that's it. You're gonna buff the client's nails. And then, so what you're gonna do next is go back with the number 2 activator. Apply it all over the nail. And then what you're gonna do next is have them wash their hands with soap and water and then come back. So then that's gonna just basically get rid of any excess residue from the activator. So then you'll go in and do the step number 3, which is the finish product. So right now, we're just gonna go in and just wipe the nail with water. Just make sure that the client's nails are completely dry before you go in with step number 3. So with a clean paper towel, we need the paper towel because when you paint on the step number 3, the finish top coat, it does dry very quickly. And in order to avoid any sticking of the brush, any like clumps, so after you paint on the nails, wipe it clean, put it back into the bottle. That will prevent it from sticking and having any issues with clumping of the brush. So her nails are dry. I'm gonna come in and do the first coat. With the finished top coat, we like to go over it twice. So you paint each finger once, and then when you're done with the first, the last finger, you go back and do it again. That will basically smooth out any lines that is left over from the first original paint. So it only takes about a minute for it to dry. It shouldn't take no longer than that. So after it dries, you can apply cuticle oils to, moisturize the cuticles, and then that's basically it, you're done.